today is a big content creation day and a big chore day in general, so I'm running some errands and the first stop is Tractor Supply. I think I need pine shavings and oyster shells. Also, if anyone knows how to get the glare off my glasses so you can actually see my face when I'm filming in daylight, please let me know. But let's go into Tractor Supply, get the stuff, because we also have to go to Kroger and get some stuff to make some recipe videos. And it's already 11 a.m., so I'm way behind, so we gotta hurry. There was a cart conveniently right here next to the pine shavings, so it's like they knew I was coming. You want to make sure you get these, the flake, not the fine shavings. Oh my goodness. So cute. Me too. All right, next stop is Kroger. Let's go. Full disclosure, my tripod was really pissing me off. These are on sale for $10 a pound, and we've been wanting a seafood boil. Usually I wait until they're $7.99 a pound, but I haven't seen that sale in a while. No one ate the bananas I bought last time, but I'm feeling hopeful, and these are kind of small, so we'll grab some bananas. Does anyone else ever kick this bar with the front of your shin when you're trying to push the cart, or is it just me? $1.99 strawberries. Don't mind if I do. Realistically, I don't need like a whole bag of oranges, so I'm just going to get a couple that look good. This is massive. I don't have small hands. I am filming in 0.5, but this is a big orange. See where there's pumpkin spice, but where's the regular ones? I'm trying to remember, do they have like a plain candy aisle? Yes, they do. Oh my goodness, and I passed it. Now, this is a good deal. You can make cookies out of this. I love stopping by the clearance section. Do y'all see anything that you might want? Just let me know. I'll pick it up for you. Oh, vanilla bean. That looks yummy. Running out of room here. I guess I could put stuff on the bottom. Well, I just saw eggnog. I think I saw eggnog. They've got rich and creamy eggnog, and rich and creamy eggnog. I don't know what the difference in color is. Oh, one is pumpkin spice, one is vanilla, and one is low fat eggnog. Do y'all remember last year when I made my own eggnog? It was actually really good. Oh my gosh, they got purity eggnog. Everyone's got the eggnog. There you go, whipped cream. Oh, the last thing is Werther's. Let's go find them. Does anyone know if these are any good? I've been trying to find some new gluten-free graham crackers. These look good. $7, the price we pay. Okay, so they've got these Werther's right here, but I don't need this much. Oh, duh. Right here. Here. That's everything we need. Well, I bamboozled myself. They watch my TikToks. Thanks so much, you guys. That literally makes my day. But I do have frozen, so thanks so much, guys.
Just saying, like, I had to put her up to you, so,
Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one. Can't believe I caught that on camera this time. I will say though, paying $5 for 3 oranges was not on my bucket list. I should have gotten the 4-pound thing of oranges, but I thought that it was $1.69 a pound, so I was just gonna get a little bit. It was $1.69 each. I'm getting in the car and I just realized I did it again. I forgot to ask their names, but they work at the Starbucks in there, so I could always just ask them when I go in. If you guys are watching this, I'm so sorry I didn't grab your name. I just get so excited when people are like, oh my god, I watch you, and then my brain just shuts off and I'm like, eh. Thank you guys so much for coming out to me. It always makes my day. Y'all are so sweet. Don't wanna be just like you. Now that I'm home, it is time to make the cranberry bliss bars and whatever other recipes I can get to today.
I could go for some spiderweb pizza and butternut mac and cheese.
I guess I do need to make pizza dough first.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Probably try to get my back to not hurry up top. And then organize the garage. Or no, probably a chicken coop first.
Good plan. As I'm sitting here editing this, I realized I did not do an outro. So I guess this is the outro. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you guys want to see more vlogs like this, just let me know, because it actually was pretty fun to film. The only thing is my little octopod kept falling off the shopping cart. As it would roll, it would go like this and then just fall because my phone is too heavy. If I can figure out a way to do that, or just stop filming with my phone and start using my actual vlogging camera. Yeah, I know, my vlogging camera, poor thing, is like rotting in a bag somewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe. Stick around. We have some fun over here sometimes.